This place is gonna blow your mind. Well, we were rolling down State Road 6. We were gonna go into town to get some food. And we come across this gem of a find. We liked it so much, we want to share with you guys, our audience, because when you're in Cambodia, especially if you're on holiday, maybe sometimes you want to go to a nice place, but not spend a lot of money. But we come across this place right here called Butterfly Pea Restaurant. I don't know if you've been here before, but if you have, leave a comment below. But check this place out, guys. This place is gonna blow your mind. They got a nice lady right here, Own. She welcomes you as you come in. We've got a menu, so in case you want to check out before you come in, it's fancy. Let's check it out, guys. Look at this. The grounds here are beautifully well maintained. They've got lights. Oh man, let's walk up and see if we can go find my little Khmer wife, Linda. She's disappeared somewhere. They actually have grass. Wow, that's rare in Cambodia. Check this out. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Lots of places to eat, like a garden setting. One thing that's neat about this place too is for Badangs, you know, for tourists, Westerners, we love our air conditioning, right? You come here, they actually have an air-conditioned area upstairs and downstairs. Take your pick. Wow, look at this, guys. I mean, it's just so cute. For all you guys out there, gentlemen, you guys want to bring your wife, your girlfriend on holiday, you need a nice place to be romantic, this is a great place to go. Check the little pond out here. Little minnows. I don't think they're on the menu though. Yeah, there's just the kitchen's back here. A nice formal dining room for those of you guys that want to do some business and do some talking. I got the GoPro, so I've got to kind of get underneath some light here because it's a little dark. Yeah. And then we've got Owen over here. She's making some good cocktails for everybody right now. Doing a great job, Owen. Great job. Yeah. Let's go upstairs here and see if we can't locate Linda. Welcome in English. I like that. Nice touch. Oh, whoa. Who did I find upstairs? And look who we have here.
Hello. How are you today? Now and come to play about style like and Khmer House and Cambodian, so and have a lot of food Khmer like a mock fish, a mock chicken, yeah, and also and have a prohok bok the krương, yeah, I like that.
Oh.
And Khmer food, you can see menu, yeah, it's nice. Yeah. I'm happy that when I come to see and play and I have a lot of Khmer food. About I like. Yeah, a lot of food and Khmer food. I don't know which one I want because look delicious, make me hungry, but I don't know which one I want because a lot.
Too many choices.
Yeah, too many joy. Let's see.
We're gonna check this menu out and see what they got. Look at the view from up here. I mean, this is just beautiful. We passed by a place called Hang Hang Barbecue. I was like, I'm gonna go hang at Hang Hang Barbecue, and then we see this place. We're like, nah, we'll scratch that. So we're gonna check the menu and get right back to you guys. Give us a minute. We're hungry. One of the great things about living in Siem Reap or just visiting as a tourist, guys, is that it is a foodie, I hate that word foodie, but it is a food lover's paradise. We've got street food, as you know from our videos. We love the street food. But then you find little gems like this here that were just kind of unknown. And the prices are a little steep, don't get me wrong. They start about maybe $8 a person. And then of course they have between 6 and 7:30 cocktails are buy one get one free bonus. But no matter what your flavor, what you like the Western food. They've got some decent Western places in town. One of our personal favorites is Bob's Burgers. They do a great job. Charbroiled beef. Oh my God, American owned. So you know it's going to be the best. And then you got places like this here, where it's just like fancy Khmer food. I can't say I've ever had fancy Khmer food because everything is made delicious by either Linda at the room, or we find out here a place like this. So yeah, we're excited to try this and show you guys how great this place is here. And we must have got here right before the dinner rush because it's very slow. There's one badang indoors. There's an air-conditioned main dining room upstairs as well as downstairs, so no shortage of that. And yeah, we're gonna see how this food tastes here. They give us this neat little, I don't know what you call it. I'll ask Linda what she thinks. What is this called?
And I don't know how to say English, but in Cambodia called prahat.
Like tofu?
Say no.
Tofu?
How again English?
Tofu?
Fried tofu.
Fried tofu. It's fufu. It's fufu food, according to me. But yeah, we're gonna try this fried fufu out here. Here, I'll give the Linda likes the vegetables. I'll give you the vegetable. The
okay, thank you for giving me this one.
Granada. And I'm gonna try the fried tofu. It's got like some kind of little sauce here. Let's check this out here. Oh, look at that, huh? Oh, that's tofu. Okay, I tried it. It's not bad actually. I think because it's not meat, for me it's kind of different, you know, but yeah. It's good though, it's got flavor. If you want to know where the location is here, if you guys are interested when you're in town to visit, we will leave a link below for their location on Google Maps. They're also on Facebook and Instagram. They also are on TripAdvisor as well. I see they have a scan me for reviews, so that's kind of nice to know. But to easy, the location is just outside of Siem Reap, going towards the old airport, okay, on a state highway road 6 here, the big wide highway, and it is across the street right over from Ford. The Ford dealership is right across the street. You can't miss a place. So yeah, for those of you who want to get out and try something different. All right, the food has arrived, and wow, I'm impressed. Cambodia has got some really neat ideas here. The presentation is chef's kiss. I'm gonna find out how it tastes in a minute. Linda?
Yeah?
Tell me what you think, my dear.
I ordered duck. This duck. Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. And the duck, and with salad and spicy. Wow, delicious. Make me want to eat right now. Wow,
and then of course,
right.
I ordered the seafood with a very badang of me noodle out of it, I guess, right? But I did order it spicy. We're gonna see how spicy it is, but I do like spicy, so check this presentation out, guys. A very nice flair to it. Yeah, fancy. You can do it all in Cambodia. Cambodia is amazing. The food, the people, everything. So let's check this out. Let's see how it tastes here. More duck.
Yeah, you look. Yes, delicious. Very good. Okay, with the spicy right now, I show you. Sorry for me, you hungry. It's spicy, you see. Wow, delicious. Make me hungry right now. Big mouth.
Yeah, duck is pretty common around here. Every morning when Linda makes me breakfast, she makes the eggs. For months, she makes me breakfast every day, and I just never thought twice about what I was eating. I just thought it was chicken egg, and it's actually a duck egg every morning. I won't lie though. Now I'm like, that's a duck egg. It tastes different now. They're much bigger, a little more heartier. I would just figure because they were like, you know, free range here, and they're not expensive here and nothing more. It's not like America where they charge an arm and a leg for organic, because everything's organic here. There's one ingredient chicken, one ingredient rice, one ingredient lettuce. Everything's either clucking, you know, in the morning, on the dinner plate at night, or it was harvested that day at noon, and it's so fresh. Everything's farm raised, and there's nothing extra. There's no extra regulation. It's beautiful. So yeah, I think that makes for some very fresh food when you eat here in Cambodia. Everything's so fresh, and you can really tell the difference on that. So I always appreciate the freshness here. All right, now we're gonna try to see what I got here, the noodle with the seafood. Okay, I did ask for it to be spicy, and I see right here there's like a little, like it's actually a lily pad. This green is a lily pad, and it's like it made into like a bowl, and it's got like a sauce down in there around the rim. It's like it just holds everything in, and then of course the noodles with the seafood. So I'm looking forward to trying this here. Let's check it out here. A little bit, yeah, it'd be good. Start to swim. Oh, a little bit. Oh, that's a lot of spicy. Okay, she just loaded me up on spicy. Ho ho ho. The shrimp is good. Shrimp's got like a been marinated. Very, very good. Oh wow. All right. Look at all this cayenne pepper she put on there. Wow. I'm gonna be breathing fire here in a little bit. All right, let's see how this goes. So you know what? I'm gonna just bust out the chopsticks here. It's gonna be easier to eat. All right, let's gather this up here. Al dente. Not too soft, not too hard. It's just right. I always appreciate when somebody can do al dente. It's not very common this day and age. And then we've got, looks like we've got...
so you want dry one and that?
Some squid. Yeah, we'll try some duck here too. Some squid. Looks delicious. Very good. This is the seafood. So what else we got here? Octopus. The baby octopus. These are always so chewy, you know? Let's try it out here. Oh, wow. It's a texture thing. Not a lot of flavor to it. But
okay.
Linda's gonna share a little bit of her duck with me, so quack, quack, quack.
Wait, we do spicy for you first.
Oh, spicy. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, here we go. Let's show the camera what it looks like.
Yeah, look delicious.
All right, here we go. Wow, that was very good.
Yeah.
Very
With like steak.
yeah, soft. It literally melts in your mouth. I mean, it's like, wow. It's a really unique cut because it just you cut right through it and it just goes right to the mouth. Wow. I'm in heaven. So to my surprise, what made this magic happen is we've got broccoli, onions. I saw some nice sauteed mushrooms wrapped up in here. Some water chestnuts. I saw little small shoots of bamboo that have been steamed. Lots of red peppers. Oh my goodness, lots of red pepper. A little bit of tofu chunks here, but yeah, some cabbage. Oh my God, carrot. The list is endless. We've got some onions, some red onions, some white onions, some green onion shoots. Oh my goodness, it's just magical. It just fusion together and just explodes in your mouth with flavor. One of the things I love about Khmer food is it's never dull. It's just packed with flavor. Whether you go to the street and get it on the road or you come to a place like this, Khmer food is probably my favorite in the whole world. And then you know, it's just until you've had it, you really don't know. It's just absolutely delicious. If you've had Khmer food, you've been to Cambodia, leave in the comments down below. Let us know your thoughts. If it's not your favorite, let us know. Give you guys a quick tour of the upstairs here, just to the attention to detail that's gone into this place, and just how it's like boutique, very just very unique. I love it. Let's check out the room here, guys. They've got pictures on the walls. It's darling is a word I'd say, darling. Check this out, guys. Oh my goodness. The chandelier is a nice touch. I really like that, and pictures on the walls. A lot of attention to detail. It's got old school charm here. Let's walk down here too, see the rest of the upstairs. You guys know if it's hot, which it is right now, they've got fans up above for each table. Check this out. And then of course fans over the top. It's a nice breeze they make, and if there's any mosquitoes, it'll blow them right out. So let's walk over here real quick and see what else we got here. I think maybe somebody live here too, but either way, even if they don't, it's just a really charming place. Like I said, it's great for a nice romantic dinner. If you want to have a nice, just elegant dinner, or if you just like to have a nice dinner and you're running solo, you can certainly come here and eat on your own too, no problem. So yeah. If you made it this far in the video, leave a butterfly emoji and we will heart it for you. We appreciate you watching.
I'm very happy and the Cambodian place because look very beautiful and clean and nice food. Wow, I'm really full now because I eat a lot. Wow, it's nice place. I hope and everyone when come to Cambodian place can try Cambodian place. Very nice food and original Khmer food. Also the place is style and like Khmer house. I like that. Wow, it's nice, beautiful.
Yeah, it's a darling little gem we find here, and we're so happy we came here today. The food was just magnificent. I can't even explain it. It's just a fusion of everything, just blended together, and it just exploded in your mouth. I mean, one of the things, like I said before, as Cambodia, is just everything's got such flavor, and this place here did not disappoint. The food was top notch, and even for $8 for some noodles and seafood, I got a lot for that. The portions are large, just so you know. But outside of that, it's the perfect place. So if you guys come to Cambodia, let us know in the comments down below if you guys visit this place or if you've been here before. We'd love to hear from you. And in that case, until next time, guys, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. We'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.